I would say personally, if I'm whitening my teeth, I would probably do it max twice a year for a few days.
That's maintenance.
I did about 2 weeks when I was 20 something, 20 maybe when I was 25 or something when I first graduated from university, and then max twice a year for a couple of days around weddings. I don't do a whole lot of it, but I've got patients who would do it every 3 months. So I guess it's about how white you want to keep them. I'm quite laid back and want an easy life, but if you want really, really white teeth and you're lucky enough your teeth have whitened really, really well, then you probably have to do it a bit more frequently than I do.
I think the majority of patients, once they've had a 2 to 3 week initial whitening procedure, will need to whiten maybe 3 or 4 nights in a row every year.
A couple of days before a wedding, do it. A couple of days before
Christmas, do.
Yeah.
They lift pretty quickly, don't they? Once you've done the initial 2 weeks of whitening.
But then there are patients who are extreme. Then some respond super well, and others are just stubborn. Say if you grind your teeth, then they can be a little yellower. They can be stubborn to get to a satisfactory whiteness, and then they can be stubborn to maintain it. And it depends how much abuse you throw at your teeth as well.
Tea, coffee,
smoking. Black tea's not helping mine.
It's an age thing. That's the biggest thing I've noticed over time. Is
the older the tough, the harder.
You get girls are better than boys in my experience, whiteness wise. You get girls 18 to 25 and their teeth just glow really, really quickly, and you get a guy in their 50s or 60s who wants to get the same whiteness as the 18-year-old girl, and they've got no hope.
It's
just the teeth
That's
are way
just back to the wear thing, isn't it? It's just the amount of enamel, really, thickness of the enamel.
I think it's more down to the size of the pulp. So the ratio changes. So as you get older, your teeth, the pulp inside your teeth gets smaller, doesn't it? You get the secondary and tertiary dentine laid down, and then they get more dense.
This is not making a
podcast.
No,
we are getting deep.
That was my understanding.
More dentine to whiten.
That is basically third year dentistry done there by Sam.
Fifth, that is.
In 30 seconds.
Yeah. So old people have.
It's not what the patient wanted to know.
Well, the answer to that is it varies, but traditionally 3 to 4 nights a year after a successful initial whitening.